This is Windows 7 and here's a 4K video and I cannot play it, so if I double click on it, Windows Media Player cannot play the file and Codec has to be installed. Okay, so let's close it and let's download the Codec. So go to the internet and search for, let's say, K-Lite and press enter. Codecguide.com. Let's go to the first one and go here to download. Okay, let's download the basic one. Download basic. Okay, let's choose a mirror, let's say that one, and run it directly. Okay, that's the codec. Let's close the browser. Normal. Okay, next. Additional software, decline, install. Okay, and after installing a codec pack, this should have sufficient codecs to play a video file. Okay, that's a web page and we have already a thumbnail, so the video can be played.
Okay, here's an interesting thing.
Yep, so the video is playing. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.